So I had one of the worst times trying to make a rice ball. So I thought, why didn't I learn how to make a rice ball, practice some English with you guys, and meet an incredible person? Check out Maki. She's the host of NHK's Bento Expo. Let's learn how to make a rice ball, a cute one at that, and let's learn some English.
My name is Maki Ogawa. I am a bento blogger and cooking author.
Do you mind asking how old are you?
Pause. So actually, I should have said, do you mind if I ask what your age is? Or do you mind if I ask, how old are you? Both would have worked.
54?
Okay, so 50 plus?
Yes.
So how did you start making bento boxes, especially cute ones?
When my son was 3 years old, when he went to kindergarten, he didn't want to go kindergarten without me, cried and cried. So one day I started to make cute bento for him. Hope his kindergarten life happy.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Okay.
He turns to 23 next month.
So it's been a while. So it's 20, you've been making bento boxes for 20 years. 20 years. Wow.
You want to make a cute
Yes.
chicken?
Yes, that's cute
Okay,
chicken.
first I will show you how to make a cute chicken.
Okay.
First, okay?
Yeah.
Pause. So here's the list of materials we would use today. Let's start with rice, corn kernels, slices of carrots, a sheet of seaweed, a nori cutter, and a few cookie cutters.
So we already cooked the rice,
Yes.
right? This is, when did you make this rice? This morning?
Yes.
Okay.
First, put some rice ball here. Then, I'm using this uncooked spaghetti.
Uncooked spaghetti.
4 beaks.
Pause. So I made a mistake here, and beak is countable.
For the beak, okay. And this is cooked corn, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And you put it inside. Oh, that's so cute. So now we have dry seaweed.
Yeah.
And what is this? A stamp?
It's a
okay.
nori puncher.
Okay, yeah. Like a hole puncher, right?
Pause. So this is called a seaweed punch or a nori punch cutter. Interesting. First time for me, but you know.
And make eyes with nori.
That's how it's
super
done. Oh, I never knew that.
Yeah. Really?
Is that water? You dip it in water first?
Yeah.
Oh, I like your technique.
Oh, really?
Yes. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that.
This is a boiled carrot. And use a shaped cutter. And then
I always thought they used a knife.
it's super easy. Then use another cutter. Like this. Yeah. And use some uncooked spaghetti like this.
Again, okay.
Yeah. Okay, it's done. It's very easy.
I think yours is gonna come out better than mine. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so the first thing that we do is we take out the rice bowl. So it's like flat. This is flat, right?
Oh, yeah.
And then this is the round side.
Yeah.
So we put the flat side down,
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Flat side down.
Right.
Okay. I'm kind of nervous. And
Then uncooked spaghetti.
oh, we have to get the uncooked spaghetti first. Okay. All right. So is there a? We use it like a thumb length,
Yes.
not too far.
One.
right?
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, we do 2 of them. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Too short? That's okay. All right. So we break the dried spaghetti, and then
Put corn kernel.
and then we stick in this in the middle, right?
Yeah.
I'm shaking. Okay, like this.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I think it's
It's okay.
okay. All right. We take another kernel.
Put
Now.
the beaks on the rice bowl
Okay.
in the center.
In the center.
Yeah.
I saw you.
Yeah. Shaking. You okay?
I am shaking.
Yeah, it's so cute. Yeah.
Ooh, I did it. I'm really shaking.
I know. It's so cute.
It
Isn't
is.
it?
Ooh. Okay. Ooh. All right. So next thing we do is hole punch it.
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh.
Yeah. It's so funny.
It's cute. Yeah. All right. So then take the eyes, right?
Yeah. 2 eyes.
Okay, and then put it right in the center as well.
Yeah.
Ooh.
かわいい。
Can I do a wink?
Yeah, okay.
All right. So,
So cute,
let me see.
isn't it?
Nice little wink.
Yeah.
Yeah, yours looks better already. All right, so you take this is a star stamper, right? And then you would take it
Yeah.
and
Push
just push it down. Okay. Put it on the side. Let this out. Oh, yours is better than mine.
Then-
Okay, and then you would use looks like a spoon.
Yeah,
Right?
spoon,
Like a
spoon
chicken
cookie cutter.
drumstick?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you have
Yes,
to make
like-
it round,
yeah, like
right?
that, yeah.
Okay. And you go there. All right. And then you take another spoon. You take the curved side,
Yes,
not the other
yes.
side. Okay. And then you would take this. You made it longer, right?
Yeah.
A little bit longer. It's heavier. And then put that down the center. Same thing, right?
Yes.
It's like this long, right?
Yeah.
Like a rebel.
I do like.
Okay. He's a rebel. He's
Yeah.
a rebel. Oh,
That is so
good.
Yeah.
Woo! Look at this bad boy. He's